I found 4 photos which I want to mix them together somehow. To do that, first by Move tool selected, go to Window menu, then Arrange, and now select Consolidate all to tabs. As you can see, I have a photo of UFO, a background, and 2 photos of light. By Quick Selection tool, select the UFO so fast. To remove some parts from your selection, you need to tap Alt key, and to add selection, you need to tap on Shift key. Now tap V to select Move tool, and in Window menu, Arrange, then Tile, so you can see all open photos. Now click and drag UFO to the background document, select this layer, and from Window menu, Arrange, select Consolidate all to tab. Now tap Ctrl T in keyboard to have the free transform tool and resize the UFO to have the size you are happy with. Drag the background layer to the Add Layer button and duplicate it, or just tap Ctrl J in keyboard. Now by tapping Shift key and select layer 1, you have both layers selected. Then in Edit menu, select Auto Blend Layers. Now select Stack Images and click OK. Select Brush tool from toolbar and decrease opacity to 30%. Now tap Alt key and select the color from background picture so close to the UFO. Now make some taps on UFO. Now select Move tool, and by changing the window to tile mode, move one of the lights to the main document. Now change the light layers blend mode to screen, and by selecting eraser tool and decreasing the opacity of the eraser, just delete extra parts. Now repeat what you've done with this layer to the next one. So here, if you want, you can select Image menu, then in Adjustment, select Color Balance and make some changes. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video if you liked it. Thanks for watching Saranvid channel.